got my Beachly winter box, so if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe's just off relaxing. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Beachly is a quarterly beach-inspired lifestyle subscription box. Now, this company has recently, not recently, maybe over the past couple of years, accrued two other companies. One is Birchbox and the other one is All True. I've been seeing a lot of All True stuff in this box, so I did cancel. So I was subscribing for a year. You know, I just annually subscribe because you save a little bit of money, but I did cancel. I don't know how many more boxes I have. It's not that I don't like the stuff, it's that I don't love the stuff. Like when I first got this box, like I loved everything in here. Recently, however, though, I feel like it's been more of the stuff from All True, so it's like, oh, nobody wants it in our All True box, so we're going to put it in our Beachly box. It's just kind of the way I've been feeling about it. So I did go ahead and cancel because it just wasn't what it was. I do like that you get to choose a lot of the items in here, but sometimes I'm just this time around in particular, I just wasn't real excited by the choices. All right, so there is a little magazine that goes with it, or whatever it is, flyer, the season of cozy. And then they also don't tell you like these were your choices for 1 and for 2. So here's some of the choices. Now, I recall this being a choice from the All True box, and this was actually sold out when I went to do my choice. Like, I don't really need a jewelry wrap. The bag's nice, but how many bags do I need? Packing cubes, I'm up to my earlobes in packing cubes. Candle, I mean, yeah, it's nice. Long sleeve t-shirt, yeah, it's nice, but do I really need one that says either beach or surf? This jewelry set though, that's the bomb right there. The pajamas, I mean, they're all right. Socks, I mean, I've already got these socks. I got these socks already in this box. A beach pillow, I don't need a beach pillow. What is this? A shell box, I mean, it's cute, but not even made of shell. It's a seashells hinged box. This silicone scrubber I have, I don't use, I don't really like it. Reusable plastic bags, I have like so many of these. Earbuds, I don't think I got those, but I'm thinking I probably should have. What else? Yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's see what I have. It says surprise, a little something extra for the holiday. Okay, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's a $20 gift card. That's what it is. It just wasn't attached. At Lotus and Luna. So I'm pretty sure there's nothing on that website that is like $20 though. All right, so what did I pick? I got the jewelry wrap, not because I wanted it, but because there wasn't anything else in that category that I wanted. It's by Beach Riot, so I'm sure it's like extremely expensive. Beach Riot's very expensive. $45. This is the Royal Palm Jewelry Roll. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not something that I necessarily need, mainly because I don't necessarily go anywhere. So, but I mean, it is nice. You know, I'll tuck it away and maybe someday if I go somewhere. It will be a while before that happens. We are trying to fix up our house and sell our house by fall of next year and buy a new house, living with my mom and my stepdad. So you know, it's not going to be in the cards. It's too much work to do. All right, see, I wish I could tell you like what the category choices were, but I can't. So next I got the box because, well, I figured the kid would like it. I mean, it's nice. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just nothing like, it's nothing I would go into the store and say, oh, I've got to have that. So, you know, I'll see what their spoilers are. But the other thing is they have not sent me any emails to customize. So I have to now stalk their Instagram to see when you can customize and then go on and customize. And they tell me that they have, but it's not in my emails, it's not in my spam. So I'm just a little frustrated with the company in general. So again, very cute. This is Primitives by Kathy. They work with this company a lot. And it's nice. And I mean, my daughter will love it. So, you know, she'll get it for Christmas. And that is an $18 value. Next we have, I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay, yeah. Whatever category this was in, there was like a couple of choices. This was like, I don't know, I'll get these. They're at least useful. Can coolers, even in here anywhere for me to tell you what their value is. And I don't even know who makes them. All right, by Pravita. I was able to snag the jewelry. So if I hadn't, I was going to be really salty. You can see that. And that I really, really like. And I like the matching earrings, and I'm going to have to hide it so certain people don't see it. At least your ears aren't pierced. That's a $28 value. So again, like I could have gone out and bought that for $28 and saved money on the entire box because it's the only thing in there that I was kind of excited about. I did get the long sleeve blue t-shirt that says surf. I did get this in a size large. So you never know how things are going to fit, how they're going to wash. These things drive me batty because I'm so terrified my dog's going to get it. It feels kind of big though. I know Chloe will probably get to wear it before me, but yeah, I do like that. It's more like a thin sweatshirt. It's got the little hem on the bottom. I don't even know if you can see that because I can't see you. There you go, yeah. Long sleeves, and I think that's going to fit fine. And the last thing that I got, I did choose the pajamas. I don't usually like button-up pajamas. I think I like these more than I thought I was going to, but they are white, so I'm going to have to wear a little tank top under them, or, you know, you can see right through them. But they are cute. I mean, like, they're useful. I'll use them. Chloe will steal them. But it does come with pants, and they'll be too long for me, so I'll have to have my mom hem them. Oh, I didn't even tell you the t-shirt or sweatshirt is valued at $55. It is a Beachley, their name's on it. And the pajamas are Island House, H-A-U-S company, and they're valued at $78. I was paying $78 for pajamas. Yeah. So I wish I knew why I chose the things I did over other things, because I don't know, earbuds are always useful, so why I wouldn't have picked those? I don't know. Maybe it was like the sweatshirt or the earbuds. I don't really know, but yeah. And again, the bag was really cute, but I'm like, I really don't need another bag. And now I'm like, I wish I got that bag because it's so cute. One thing they don't let you do is if they have things like FabFitFun, if they have 3 things you want in that category, you can pay extra for them. They don't have that ability. So so I wasn't able to add on, and I kind of had to go, well, this or that. And I think, you know, it's just like I could find more use for this than the bag. Yeah, there's no other information in here about how they categorized things. So here's like a close-up picture of the socks. Here's that white one, that white sweatshirt. So I went with the blue because white just always seems like a mess waiting to happen. All right, so that is my Beachly box. It may be my last one. I don't know. Again, I'll check the spoilers and maybe I'll get it like here and there when there's things that I really like. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully see you soon.